Have you ever wondered why some pixie cuts make women over 50 look lifted, youthful, and elegant, while others just fall flat? The truth is, 2026 pixie trends are completely shifting the game for mature women. And if you pick the right one, you can highlight your best features in seconds. In this video, you'll see the most flattering 2026 pixie ideas for women over 50. Plus, how to choose the shape that brings out your eyes, your cheekbones, and even adds fullness to thinning hair. Let's get into it. Kicking off this video with the first hairstyle, which is incredibly popular among women over 60, is the iconic pixie with soft textures. Soft texture is one of the biggest trends for 2026, and it is especially flattering for women over 50 who want a haircut that feels fresh, modern, and sophisticated without looking harsh or severe. This style adds natural movement and lightness, creating a gentle lift that instantly gives the hair a more youthful and lively shape. The soft separated pieces give the illusion of fullness, which is particularly helpful if your hair has become finer or thinner over the years. Many women over 50 notice that their hair tends to fall flat by midday or loses its original shape after just a few hours. And the soft texture solves this problem beautifully. It also has a very forgiving quality. Even if your hair has different lengths or natural waves, this cut blends everything together seamlessly, creating a smooth, effortless look. The soft pieces make the hair appear more voluminous and add a delicate, feminine touch without requiring extra styling time or complicated products. Another reason women love this cut is how easy it is to maintain. A few gentle touches with your fingers or a light styling cream in the morning is usually enough to keep the hair looking polished and lively all day. It is perfect for women who want a modern pixie that is easy, flattering, and versatile, while still feeling elegant and age-appropriate. If you want something that naturally lifts the face and gives a little instant height, the next style is a great option. A short layered bob with soft volume at the crown is one of the most flattering and age-friendly hairstyles for women over 50. It creates a refreshed, youthful look while still feeling elegant and easy to wear. The subtle lift at the top helps raise the overall profile of the face, which instantly makes your features look brighter and more awake. This style works beautifully on round, oval, and longer face shapes because the layers prevent the hair from sitting flat against the head. The added movement through the crown brings balance and structure, especially if your hair has become finer or lost density over time. Many women notice that their hair starts to collapse at the roots as they age, and this cut is designed to counteract that by building volume directly where it matters most. Another reason this bob is so popular is how low maintenance it feels once it is cut correctly. The layers do most of the work for you. A quick blow dry with light lift at the roots, or even air drying with a touch of styling cream is usually enough to keep it looking polished. The result is a modern, confident hairstyle that feels effortless, flattering, and perfectly suited for women over 50 who want shape, movement, and a little extra lift without committing to a pixie. If you prefer something that softens your features a little more, the next style brings a gentle frame around the face. Face framing pieces remain a favorite because they suit so many women, particularly those over 50 who want softness and elegance without giving up the convenience of a short haircut. For 2026, the trend leans toward lighter, wispier strands that fall gently around the face, creating a look that feels natural, modern, and effortless. These pieces work to soften sharper angles and balance stronger facial features, giving the face a more harmonious and relaxed appearance. They also subtly draw attention toward the eyes, which often become even more expressive as we age, highlighting the feature that communicates the most personality and emotion. Many women notice how this type of pixie can restore a bit of femininity and warmth to their overall look, without the need for extra length or complicated styling techniques. The beauty of this cut is that it gives structure while still feeling breathable and natural. It frames the face in a way that is flattering for all kinds of hair textures, from fine strands to soft waves. The style adds personality, charm, and a gentle touch of romance, making it feel soft and approachable while keeping the pixie easy to maintain. For women over 50 who want a short haircut that feels feminine, modern, and practical, a face-framing pixie is one of the most versatile and flattering options available. If you prefer a cleaner and more polished finish while still keeping some movement, the next style is a great direction to explore. A short stacked bob is one of those haircuts women tend to appreciate more and more after 50. It adds structure and shape without feeling heavy, which is especially helpful as hair becomes finer or starts to lose density. The stacked layers at the back create natural lift and fullness, while the slightly longer front keeps the look soft and flattering. This combination gives the illusion of thicker, healthier hair and helps balance areas that may have thinned over time, particularly around the crown. Another reason this style is so popular is how effortlessly it holds its shape. Even with minimal styling, the cut maintains a polished look throughout the day. A quick blow-dry or a small amount of lightweight styling product is usually enough to keep everything smooth and in place. It works beautifully on straight hair and adapts well to wavy textures, since the stacking encourages natural movement. Overall, it is a dependable, flattering option for women over 50 who want a hairstyle that feels refined, easy, and full of dimension without requiring constant upkeep. If you prefer something more polished and smooth, the next style offers a cleaner and more structured finish. A sleek graduated bob is an excellent choice for women over 50 who love a refined, put-together look without needing complicated daily styling. The gentle graduation at the back creates a clean, sculpted shape, while the slightly longer front keeps the style soft, elegant, and feminine. This balance gives the haircut a polished silhouette that looks intentional and flattering from every angle. One of the biggest advantages of this style is how naturally it enhances the face. The graduated shape subtly lifts the back of the head, which helps create height at the crown and prevents the hair from looking flat or heavy. This is especially helpful if your hair has become finer over time or tends to lose volume at the roots. Instead of relying on teasing or heavy products, the cut itself provides structure and support, making the hair look fuller and healthier overall. Many women also appreciate how comfortable and practical this bob feels. The neckline stays clean and neat, keeping hair off the neck, while the longer front pieces frame the face in a very flattering way. This makes it especially suited for oval, heart-shaped, and even round faces, as the shape follows the natural contours of the face and creates a gentle lifting effect. Once properly cut, this style is very easy to maintain. A simple blow-dry with a round brush or a smoothing brush is usually enough to keep it looking sleek and polished. Even on low-effort days, the graduated structure helps the hair fall back into place, maintaining its shape without constant touch-ups. The result is a confident, elegant hairstyle that feels modern, manageable, and perfectly suited for women over 50 who want a smooth, structured look with lasting style. If you want something softer and more feathery, the next style brings a lighter and airier touch. A wispy pixie brings a light and airy feeling that many women over 50 find refreshing. The softer, feathered pieces create gentle movement without making the hair look too heavy or too structured. This gives the style a youthful touch that does not feel forced. It is very flattering for women with fine hair because the wispy edges create the illusion of extra fullness, especially around the sides and crown. The texture breaks up any flatness and makes the entire cut look more relaxed and natural. This style is also great for women who want something sweet and feminine without adding extra length. The softness around the face helps ease any sharper features and brings attention to the eyes and cheekbones in a subtle way. It feels effortless, which is a big reason why it has become one of the most popular trends for 2026. Many women enjoy how light it feels and how easy it is to maintain, even on busy mornings or on days when the hair has a mind of its own. If you prefer something with a stronger shape and a little more presence, the next style brings a bold and confident look. A bold pixie is a great choice for women who want a look with presence. It has sharp lines, a defined shape, and a confident feel that stands out in the best way. Many women over 50 enjoy this style because it highlights the features that often become more pronounced with age, like strong cheekbones, a defined jawline, or bright, expressive eyes. Instead of hiding those features, a bold pixie frames them and gives them room to shine. This cut also works surprisingly well for women with thinning hair. The precise outline creates a clean shape that makes the hair appear denser and more structured. Because everything is cut with intention, the overall style looks full even if the hair has naturally softened over the years. The bold pixie carries a sense of personality, and it can feel freeing to wear a cut that embraces a strong, modern look. It is also practical, since it is easy to maintain and holds its shape with very little styling. To help you choose the best pixie for your features and lifestyle, the next chapter brings everything together in a simple and clear way. Choosing the right pixie becomes much easier when you focus on 3 simple areas that matter most for women over 50. The first is your face shape. Round faces benefit from a little height at the crown because it creates a gentle lift and adds length to the overall look. Square faces soften beautifully with wispy edges or face-framing pieces that ease stronger lines. Oval faces have the most flexibility and can pull off almost any pixie shape without losing balance. Understanding how your features work with a style helps you choose something that feels natural and flattering every single day. The second factor is your lifestyle. Some women want a wash and go routine, especially if the mornings feel busier now or if styling has become less of a priority. Layered or tapered pixies are perfect for that kind of routine because the shape holds on its own. If you enjoy playing with texture or adding a little product, soft-textured or bold pixie cuts give you more room to experiment. Knowing how much effort you want to put into your hair helps narrow the choices quickly. The third factor is maintenance. Short hair needs regular trims to keep its shape, but not every pixie grows out at the same pace. Some styles need a touch-up every 4 weeks, while others stay neat for 6 or 7. Being honest about your comfort level saves stress later on, especially if you prefer fewer salon visits. Once you match your face shape, lifestyle, and maintenance needs, choosing the right pixie becomes straightforward and much more enjoyable. Short hair can be one of the most freeing changes you make after 50, especially when you choose a cut that feels right for your features, your routine, and the way you want to show up in the world. Every style in this video has something unique to offer, and the best part is that pixies only get more flattering with age. So take a moment to think about which look matches the version of yourself you want to bring forward. So which pixie are you leaning toward after seeing all these options? And if you enjoyed this one, this next video is definitely made for you.